carefully take these out of the baggie. There we are. Now what I like to do is I like to separate them all into little sets. I would take the resistors, put them together over here. And then I would take the little jump wires, which are these colored wires, and set them in one pile. And these are the two capacitors. This is the red LED. And this is the 555 CMOS timer. Now, we're going to move on and start with diagram A. The supplies that are needed will be a breadboard, a 555 CMOS timer, jumper wires, an on-off switch, and the 9-volt battery connector. Now, this is the first part we're going to install into the breadboard. And you got to know which end is top. The top has a little circle and a little bump. That's the very top. So that's how you know how to position your 555 CMOS timer. And that's the very first step of making the zapper. So it's like that's the top right there. Now once you've established the top of your CMOS timer, we'll put it into the breadboard. The breadboard, in my instructions, refer to the letters and the numbers. And so the 555 timer will go in, the number 1 pin is at E8. So E8 is right there. There's E, and there's the 8. So this top left pin goes there. So we have E8. So what you need to do is you need to push this into the breadboard so that the CMOS timer bridges this gap. So we have these legs. Now the legs of the CMOS timer are numbered. They're numbered, this is pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and it jumps over this way to pin 5, pin 6, pin 7, and pin 8. Those are the way the pins are numbered, and we refer to the pins quite often. So I have an illustration here, and it shows you the same thing. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6, pin 7, pin 8. Now I even have a little dot to remind you that that's the top of the 555 CMOS timer. So once we have that in place, the rest is easy. We just follow the instructions. So the best part is this is the only part that matters has a top or bottom. All the rest, it doesn't matter how we go in, as long as we go into the correct numbers and letters. This is the only one that has a specific position, and once we have that in, and we can see the little dot is on the top, we're in. Now,